This is Answers to Frequently Asked Questions about the Tax-Free Cash Growth Warehouse, brought to you by SCFSIC. This frequently asked question is, can anyone get life insurance? And this is a good question. And there isn't just one simple answer. Just about anyone can buy life insurance, but not everyone can be insured. We talk a little bit about this in our fax answers about the biggest policy I can get, but let me say this as a direct answer to the question. Anyone who is financially qualified can buy a life insurance policy insuring anyone they have an insurable interest in and who qualifies as insurable. I know, that sounds like doublespeak or legal mumbo jumbo, so let me break it down for you like this. Financially qualified simply means that a person is in a position to most likely be able to pay the required premium for the policy. Either they have a regular income sufficient to pay all their bills and the required premium for the policy they want to buy, or they have sufficient assets to cover everything. Insurable interest. That means that the person the policy will be insuring is either related to the person buying the policy or has a relationship with the buyer that is somewhat dependent. For example, you have an insurable interest in yourself, your parents, your spouse, your children, for sure. You may likely have an insurable interest in other relatives as well. You have an insurable interest in your fiancé, and you could have an insurable interest in a business partner or associate. To qualify as insurable considers a number of criteria. First, a person needs to be a legal resident of the United States and under the age of 85. In some cases, depending on the provider, they also have to be under the age of 80. Then they need to qualify within certain health parameters. As far as health parameters, there are different qualifying levels or ratings. There are standard, preferred, and ultra preferred. There are levels for tobacco users, and there are ratings for various degrees of not so good health, which are referred to as table ratings. The bottom line is, most U.S. residents under the age of 80 may be insured, and just about anyone that's breathing can own an insurance policy. Now, if you haven't already, please click on the link below this video in the description box and watch the TFCGW webinar, Become Master of Your Financial World. And if you haven't, please subscribe to this channel and we'll update you whenever we add frequently asked questions, answers, and other content.